Okay, so today I'm just going to show you some of our products that are specifically designed for food processing environments and cleaning those environments. So here you've got the ST3225 gun, which is made by Suttner in Germany, and attached to it is what we call a triple nozzle head. And also we have some Hygiene Ultra hose with antimicrobial technology on the cover. But I'll just start with the gun. So basically this gun's got the low trigger force technology, which makes it 40% easier to pull than most other guns. So great if you've long periods of washing food processing areas. The nozzle is great because you can switch between a foam setting and a chemical setting and a rinse setting. So you're saving time there just by simply turning the nozzle. You can just easily select whichever one you want. Now this gun can achieve 120 litres per minute of a maximum flow, but it's got a progressive valve system in it as well, which means that there's a big reduce in the risk of water hammer. It's just shutting off the water nice and slowly, so there's not a sudden stop at there, so you're not going to get any water hammer with that. Combining nicely with this would be some Hygiene Ultra hose. Now this is got a antimicrobial cover to it, which kills microorganisms as they get onto the surface. It's good for liquid foods. It's safe for that, and it's all HACCP compliant. So if you've got that, if you're certified with that, this is obviously something you want to use. But if you're actually going for that certification, it's definitely a product you should be using. It's a really good hose. The internal part of the hose is heat resistant, so you can use hot water through there. Yeah, and that's our products. We've got a hygiene brochure for all the hygiene products that we do for the food industry. If you want to have a look at the products that we supply for that sector, you can go on our website and download it. Or if you're already a G&S customer, you can just give us a call and we'll send you one or point you out in the right direction.